Hello everyone, this is yours Lekkala Master Haragopal. Today under algebraic identities, I am going to give the visualization of all the algebraic formulas, whatever we used to learn from 7th or 8th class onwards. So among that we have some a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, like a plus b plus c whole square, a square minus b square, similarly a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. So one by one let me explain. And let me show you how to visualize or how to understand this particular formulas in geometrical way. So now we the teachers used to follow this procedure to explain a plus b whole square. Suppose on the board something how we used to follow a plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into a plus b. So then we are supposed to distribute this a and b to that a plus b, like a into a plus b into a plus b. So on simplification, we used to get something a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. And on rearranging all the terms and adding like terms, we used to get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is how we used to follow to remember the formula or to understand the formula. So now apart from this, let me tell you how to visualize this one, how to understand in geometrical method. So let me arrange everything. So now let me take the formula directly here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now how to understand this one? Now see here, let me take a line segment AB, sorry A. Now let me extend this line segment to another length something B. So now if you see a complete line segment whose length is A plus B. So now what is the length of this line segment? A plus B. Now this line let me drag like this to form a square. So now this is a square of side A plus B. Then we can say what is the area of this square? Simply you can say A plus B whole square. So you can understand A plus B whole square geometrically as a square whose side is A plus B. Right? So now what I am doing in this particular figure, see, from whatever the length we have finished A, from here let me drop a perpendicular. So the entire square is divided into two rectangles now. Right? Now from that B length is there. From there also let me draw a line or perpendicular to this. So now observe carefully, the entire square is divided into four parts. If you observe carefully, there is one rectangle here, another rectangle here, there one square, here one square. So observe carefully. Let me talk about square first. For this square, the side length is A, right? A square is going to be the area of this square. That small square, the length is B, which is nothing but B square is the area. Now if you look at these two rectangles, length is A and the breadth is B. So obviously the area of this rectangle is going to be L into B, which is nothing but A into B, which is nothing but AB. So area of this rectangle is AB, area of that rectangle is also going to be AB. So what is the entire square area? A plus B whole square. But the entire square is divided into four parts. What are that four parts? One big square, one small square, two identical rectangles. What is the area of big square? A square. What is the area of small square? B square. What is the area of each rectangle? AB. How many rectangles are there? Two rectangles are there. So 2AB. So A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is how we used to understand A plus B whole square. So my dear children, now onwards, if you want to remember A plus B whole square, don't remember that A square plus B square plus 2AB. Just try to visualize this A plus B whole square is equals to A square, another small square B square, plus 2 times of rectangle area. So this is how we used to visualize A plus B whole square, my dear children viewers. Hope you understood this small video. In the next video, let me discuss one by one all the algebraic identities. We'll meet in the next video with another topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Yours Lekkala Master.